Welcome to Cruise Kibitz, where we give you all the advice that you didn't ask for.
All right, guys, we have a very special announcement for you guys. We hope you are excited for. Kiki, take it away.
Absolutely. So, you guys, normally we give you all the advice that you didn't ask for, right? Well, guess what? This time you asked for it, and we are giving you a Cruise Kibitz live, y'all. We are so excited. This is going to be a very special episode of Cruise Kibitz that we will do live on YouTube, and it's going to be a this or that episode. So make sure you tune in for it so that you can participate. You gotta make sure that you are a part of this because it's our first live, and it's something that was asked for by one of our viewers. So TP actually said that this would be a great show live, and so we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a live this or that. Make sure you send us any thoughts or recommendations you have for this or that questions for the live. You can send those to our Cruise Kibitz inbox on Instagram or cruisekibitz@gmail.com. So, Sig, you want to let everyone know when the live is going to be?
Oh, yes, of course. That's going to be Monday, August 29th, 7:30 Eastern, 6:30 Central, and 4:30 Pacific time, right here on our Cruise Kibitz YouTube channel.
Absolutely.
That's right. Grab you some popcorn, grab you something good to drink, and come on out and join us. We're going to have a good time, y'all. We are excited.
It's gonna be good.
And we hope you are excited about it, too.
All right, guys. We will see you on the 29th.
See you then.
Happy
Happy
Saturday.
Cruising.